In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and test an app from the Atlassian Marketplace in Confluence. First, open Confluence with an account that has admin permissions. This matters because only admins can add apps. If you're managing multiple sites or instances, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue, so the app ends up in the right place. Next, head to the apps area. Depending on your Confluence version and hosting, you'll see apps or manage apps. You can usually find it from the settings or gear icon in the top navigation. This section is your control center for everything related to installed and managed apps. From there, open the Atlassian Marketplace. You'll typically see a link like Find New Apps or a direct marketplace option. This takes you to Atlassian's trusted catalog, where you can safely discover tools that extend Confluence without manual downloads. Use the search bar to find the plugin or app you need. Type in a clear keyword or the app's exact name. Filters can help narrow results by hosting type, compatibility, or category. Take a moment to ensure the app supports your version of Confluence, and note whether it's designed for cloud or for data center, so you avoid compatibility issues later. Now, review the app's details carefully. Look at the overview to understand what it does and how it integrates with Confluence. Check pricing to see how costs scale with your user tier and whether a free trial is available. Pay attention to permissions to understand what data the app can access. Reviews and ratings can reveal real-world reliability, and the support and release notes sections show how actively the vendor maintains the app. When you're confident, click Try it free or install. The exact button label may vary, but both start the same process. You may see a prompt asking you to confirm permissions. Read them and proceed if they align with your organization's policies. Confluence will handle the installation automatically, and you'll see a status indicator while it completes. Finally, confirm the installation and test the plugin in Confluence. Look for a success message, then return to your workspace. Many apps add options to page menus, macros, or space settings. Try a quick, low-risk action to verify it behaves as expected. If the app includes a configuration screen, open it from Manage Apps to confirm everything is enabled. A short test in a non-critical base helps you validate performance and fit before rolling it out broadly. And that's it. You've installed and tested an app from the Atlassian Marketplace in Confluence with confidence and clarity.